If you are looking for an instant glow without stepping out of your home, then you are in the right place. Today I am sharing two amazing facials you can try for refreshed and glowing skin. First is a simple and soothing curd facial, perfect for hydration and a natural glow. And the second is a vibrant beetroot facial that will leave your skin looking bright and radiant. These facials use ingredients straight from your kitchen. So let's get started. Curd facial is extra nourishing and hydrating for the skin. It gives a natural glow to the skin. Can't wait to know how to do this amazing curd facial. Let's move on to the video. The first step is cleansing. For that I have taken 1 teaspoon of curd. Just plain curd works. Apply this onto your face. Lactic acid in curd works as a natural cleanser. As I said in my intro, it is heavily moisturizing for the skin. Now take a cotton pad and wipe your face. This step makes sure that the skin is clean. For the scrub, I have taken 1 teaspoon of curd, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Mix it well. Apply it onto your face and gently massage in small circular motion. Concentrate on nose and chin areas where it is more prone to blackheads and whiteheads. Coffee helps in clearing dead skin cells, thus resulting in brighter skin. Curd reduces the appearance of large open pores. Alpha hydroxy acid in curd aids in exfoliation. It stimulates the growth of new skin. Do the scrubbing for 2 minutes. Wash off with plain water. For massage, I have taken 1 teaspoon of curd, 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix it well. Apply it onto the face. Start massaging. Curd reduces the damages from the skin. Honey heals the skin and moisturizes it. Follow my simple massaging techniques. For face mask, I have taken 1 teaspoon of curd, 1 teaspoon of wheat flour and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Mix it well. Apply this onto your face. Curd reduces the appearance of acne scars, fine lines and hyperpigmentation. Just what your lactic acid would do. Wheat flour helps in preventing dryness of the skin. Aloe vera has cooling properties, thus suits the skin. After 20 minutes, wash off with plain tap water. My skin feels extremely moisturized and hydrated. It feels super smooth like I have applied layers and layers of serum. My skin glows from within because of the hydration from the curd. This is a must-try facial for everyone. It can be used by both men and women. In this video, I'm gonna make a beetroot facial. I have used Ab's Goodness beetroot powder here. It is natural, free from preservatives and chemicals. For the first step, we are making a skin cleanser. For this, I have taken 2 tablespoons of unboiled milk. To this, I am adding 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. Dip a cotton pad into the solution and rub your face for 3 minutes in circular motion. This step will remove dirt, oil and clean the skin. Milk will help to reduce pigmentation, heals dry skin, hydrates the skin, heals acne and relieves sunburn. After 3 minutes, wash your face with normal water. Second step will be scrubbing. For this, I have taken 1 teaspoon of curd. To this, I am adding 1 teaspoon of green gram powder. Add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. Mix the ingredients to get a smooth paste. Apply this paste onto your face. Massage for 2 minutes. This step removes blackheads and whiteheads, so concentrate on nose and chin areas where blackheads and whiteheads appear. This step removes a layer of dead skin cells, so the skin's natural glow lying underneath will be revealed. Green gram removes the blackheads and whiteheads effectively. Curd moisturizes the skin. After 3 minutes, wash your face with normal water. For face mask, add 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder. Squeeze 2 teaspoons of lemon. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Mix it well. Apply this onto your face and leave it for 20 minutes. Lemon juice has astringent qualities due to its acidic level, so it's great to remove acne and its scars. Rose water tones the skin. It cools the skin from irritation. After 20 minutes, wash your face with normal water, pat it dry. Beetroot is popular for its usage in lip balms and lip masks. To make a lip mask, take 1 teaspoon of beetroot powder, add 1 teaspoon of honey. This lip mask is completely 100% natural. Not just this lip mask, but whatever you see in this facial is completely natural. Apply it onto your upper and lower lips. Honey reduces lip pigmentation. Honey heals dry and chapped lips. It is one of the best moisturizer to moisturize your lips. After 20 minutes, wash your lips. My skin has brightened up after doing the facial for the first time itself. One can do this facial once a week or before a special occasion. This beetroot facial suits all skin type and it is unisex, which can be used by both men and women. With just a few simple ingredients, you can give your skin the pampering it deserves. Whether you choose the curd facial for hydration or the beetroot facial for a radiant glow, your skin will thank you. If you try these facials, do let me know how it worked for you in the comments. If you find this video helpful, then do share it with your friends and family so that you can all glow together. Until then, next time, take care.